Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Microsoft Teams and switching to the Shifts app for the team you manage. Once there, pick Create Schedule or open an existing schedule. This immediately places you into the editing grid. Make sure the time zone and week start day are correct, because mistakes ripple across every shift. If you lack manager or owner rights, request them now, otherwise you won't be able to save or publish. Next, add the first employee row so you can assign shifts without delay. Now assign shifts. Click any cell to add a shift and enter start time, end time, and unpaid break length. Include the role so employees know expectations. Once you've made one day, use copy/paste or the repeat function to apply patterns across weeks, and drag the shift edges to refine start or end times. Add shift notes for special instructions, and if necessary, a pay tag or confidential flag. Once done, review overlapping shifts, because teams won't always finish by publishing the schedule so everyone receives notifications. Publishing locks the base schedule and creates a clear starting point. After publishing, handle offers or swaps via the Offer/Swap buttons and approve time-off requests in the Requests tab. If you must change a published shift, edit it and republish to push updates. Troubleshooting. If shifts is missing or failing, confirm you have app permissions, update Teams to the latest version, or clear the Teams cache. These steps resolve most access and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.